And the last button in the My Money menu is the backup button, where you can save or load backup. With the exception of individually generated and saved report files, which we just went through, that are not locked, they are not protected. They're just either bitmap, regular bitmap pictures, photos, or the file that could be opened by anyone. All the data in My Money are saved in a single file by saving backup. Once you want to save the backup file, it tells you that you need your current password to load this backup. Now if I try to load, it will tell me that this action will permanently erase all current data and replace them from the data file. From the do I wish to load file. Now if I say yes, it will give me all my backup list. Now you have to remember that in order to work with My Money, we have to use the password. And the backup file, when it saves, it takes that password and locks the backup file with that password. That means that if 2 months ago I was having a one password, and that's the password I'm going to need to open that file. Backup files are not required. Loading a backup file. Do you wish to load now? Yes. I'm going to take backup first, and it tells me that all the data are going to be replaced from the application with the backup files. Now I have to enter the password, and it tells me that it needs to be restart to take effect. The application is restarting. Now I'm going to check my transactions. Let's see in reports. I got nothing. So it means it took all the data from the last one. Let's now go back and load our number 2 file, but we know we have a lot of transactions. And it's the same password, 123. We were restarting. Let's see what we have now in transactions. Here are the data that we have saved. So everything's there. That's about the backup. So one more time, thing to remember is that the backup files are automatically saved with the password that you currently are using to open My Money, and you need to remember that password if you want to load the backup file in the future. Backup files once monthly, and after backing up, you should clean the transactions by going to Setup and delete all transactions. By deleting all transactions, going to transactions, see, nothing there. By deleting all transactions, you don't deleting the balance. The application will remember the balance, but the transaction list will be saved in the backup file and deleted with this process.